Hi everyone. Now welcome to lesson number 14 of the 20 most commonly used English vocabulary words. Today we're going to learn some new sentences and new definitions. So grab your vocabulary trainer and let's get ready to use these. Number 1. Coach. 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 Coach is a noun. A coach is a person that teaches a sport. The coach is teaching his students about volleyball. Control. 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 Control is a verb. To control something is to make it do what you want. The man controls the drone and takes amazing photos. Description. 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 Description is a noun. A description of someone is what they look like. The police interviewed him because he fit the description of a criminal. Direct. 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 Direct is an adjective. If something is direct, then it goes straight between places. There is a direct street between the houses. Exam. 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 Exam is a noun. An exam, well, it's a test. That's it. It's a test. The boy is cheating on his exam from the girl next to him. She must be smart. Example. 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 Example is a noun. An example of something is what it usually is or looks like. The man grabbed an example shoe to show the customer. Limit. 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 Limit is a noun. A limit is the largest or smallest amount allowed. The maximum speed limit in the tunnel is 40 miles per hour. Local. 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 Local is an adjective. If something is local, then it is nearby. The market is nice because it is nearby her house. Yeah, it's really close. Magical. 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 Magical is an adjective. Magical describes how someone or something is special. The forest is a magical location from a movie. Male. 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 Male is a noun. Mail is letters or things sent to a person. The couple checked their mail and found a bill to pay. Ugh, I hate bills. Novel. 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 Novel is a noun. A novel is a book that tells a story. The woman read a novel while in the park. Outline. Outline. We drop the T. Outline. An outline is a noun. Outline is the plan for a story or project. To plan a good book, you first need to outline the story plot. Poet. 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 Poet is a noun. A poet is a person that writes poems. The poet sat in the park and wrote about how nature made him feel. Print. 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 Print is a verb. To print is to put something on paper. The business decided to print 1,000 flyers for the sale. Scene. 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 Scene is a noun. A scene is one part of a book or a movie. The actors prepare for the next scene in the movie. Looks pretty cool. Sheet. Make the E long. Sheet. A sheet is a noun. A sheet is a thin, flat piece of paper. Sheet. The baker uses a sheet of baking paper for the cookies. Don't say that word fast. Silly. 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 Silly is an adjective. If someone is silly, they are acting in a funny way. The silly man pretended to be a pilot in an airplane. Store. Store. Store is a noun. A store is a place where you can buy things. The couple buy fruit from the store for a snack. Suffer. 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 Suffer is a verb. To suffer is to feel pain. It's not fun. The man is suffering from a terrible headache. I get headaches all the time. Technology. 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 Technology is a noun. Technology is new things made by science. The man uses the VR technology to design a car. All right, great job. Remember to write all of these down in your vocabulary trainer. That way you can learn these words and know how to use them best. I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.